Leave him alone.
What?
I'm trying to get him.
Can we get him or not? Gonna tear my tree up. I worked hard on this tree.
Do you need your tree decorated? Do you need presents open before Christmas? Well, we'll loan you Milo. He'll open your presents and he'll knock your decorations off of your tree. He'll help you for free.
Mikey Dudley. Get him, Jeff. How are you gonna tear him up? He's more than you can handle. I'll put you back to bed, Milo. He's done ripped this apart back here. That little turd. Throwed my lights out of them and everything. Milo, enough is enough. Go, get. You ain't worth a flip.
Anybody want to rent a cat? We'll rent you Milo the therapy cat. Once you have therapy with him, your life will never be the same.
No, he'll bite you, scratch you, eat you up. Milo, go. Yeah. I can't make nothing pretty.
Look, he won't hurt nothing. He's a
Yeah.
good kitty.
Mm-hmm.
Throw it back on the floor.
I can throw it in the floor.
See what happens when he gets through working? He'll just lay around and look so pretty. You can't beat him.
Yeah, I can. I'll beat the snot out of him.
He's a good little feller.
Mm-mm. Not my book, he ain't.
And he don't hurt him.
I'm going to whoop him. I'm tired of it. He's lost all the little... Whew, what a cat. You sure you got a cat or a tiger? This is not for him. I ain't getting him nothing for Christmas. I'm going to order him them old rats, but I ain't going to do it. You want more? Go, get. Can you find my little hooks? You better lay down. He's been in trouble. I didn't put this tree up for him. You buy him one.
You need a Christmas tree, Milo.
Could put him up here on the couch with these little bears and make a picture.
That'd be sweet.
Yeah. We try to eat them.
Yeah, talk to him, Milo.
They ain't got nothing to say. There he is on the dresser. Get.
Danny. I'm trying to get him to get in trouble.
He is. Milo. Get. That's all I'm doing is picking
Danny,
this
this is
up.
liable to go viral the way you're fussing with him.
I don't care.
Might be all over the world.
Little turd.
This is the sweetest little kitty.
Yeah.
Y'all out there that watch this video, this is the most beautiful kitty I ever seen. He's not mean. He don't bother nobody. He
Yeah.
don't hurt nothing.
What a big old story. No.
Like I said, if you need somebody to help you decorate, we'll loan you Milo.
Get over here.
Well, that's enough.